Hello! If you've watched my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love a good kitchen gadget. Well, I've got a new one to premiere today, right here on that. Well, here it is. This is the Crimpit. It's a product of Britain, but they also make them here in the States, in Pennsylvania. And what you do is you take your tortilla or whatever and lay it on your Crimpit. And then you take your filling, which I just happen to have some pulled pork I have left over, which I'm going to put on here. And this happens to be Mexican pulled pork. I've been working on a recipe to be in a future video. So you put that down. Let's see. Yep, just a little bit more here. Okay. So there's my pulled pork. Then you put your cheese on if you want cheese, which I do. I'm going to put some cheese on it. And this is pepper jack. And then you're supposed to put it in your microwave for 20 seconds. I'm going to put mine in the microwave and I'll be right back. Now, there's my Crimpit. What you do is you take this and you line this up a little bit. And you take this lid and you kind of press down. I have found that you don't want to press down real hard because you'll tear it. But I like to just press it down a couple times, nice and gentle. Give it time to sink in. And then it looks like that. I'm going to take this now and put it on a plate. And I'm going to microwave it for 1 minute so I can finish off, melt the cheese inside. And here we are, back in the chair. And this is my Crimpit. Now, it's supposed to crimp tight enough that juice doesn't run out. It's running out a little bit, but still, I've used this a couple times. It's great for all kinds of stuff. So let me just try to take a bite of this. You can put anything in there. Chicken salad, tossed salad, pulled pork, cheese quesadilla. I have been known to just put plain cheese in there. Yep, so there it is, the Crimpit. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Click on my little face over here, and we'll see you next time. Bye.